Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com.
A reminder as well that you can download our One Spot Media app in the Google Store or the Play Store. That's the number 1 followed by the word Spot and Media.
This evening, we begin with a Primetime News special report exploring the effect on families, friends and funeral homes of the delay in autopsies in some parishes.
The backlog means your relative could die today, and if an autopsy is required, it could take months before that person is buried.
TVJ Shamela Mitchell brings us part 1 of a 3-part special report on the issue.
Flipping through her family album, Kelisha Ferron from Clarendon recalls fond memories of her late father. Miss Ferron says her father, Elsie Buddha, died on the 29th of December 2016 in a motorcycle crash.
It really destroys us a lot. That even though I still can't think straight.
That was just the beginning of turmoil for the people left behind. Many Jamaicans moved to have their loved ones buried as soon as possible, a week or 2 at most. But it was not until February 26, 2017 that her father was laid to rest.
When he died, it took about a month and a half to 2 months to do the postmortem.
Why?
He died from a blunt force injury, meaning that his skull was cracked because of the multiple lick in his head.
How did it happen? What was he doing?
Actually, he was coming home. He went to Scheme and Salt River first to deliver curry and went to Scheme to deliver Callaloo. And on his way back home from Scheme, he was hit.
The delay was frustrating for the family.
I have to be traveling back and forth almost every day. Honestly, to me, it is very slack because I think they can do better. Despite it is 1 or 2 pathologists, they can do better.
And even after, more delays.
There must be a family member that's supposed to go to the court when there is a court date set. So I actually have to go or someone else to represent my father or our father.
Even after his death?
Even after his death.
But Miss Ferron's family is much calmer when compared to this family you're about to meet. They journeyed all the way from St. Anne to Clarendon to vent their frustration on the streets. According to Serene Jones, her 21-year-old daughter Camille James moved to Clarendon many years ago. Miss Jones says on December 16, 2016, she got the sad news that her daughter died. They were told it was a sudden death.
Since then, we can't get our body. They don't do no autopsy or nothing at all. The police don't go have me to run around. Say, in the week, the date.
Their patience is growing thin.
Every day it's like worse and worse and worse because this girl should be buried by now. But no, still on the ice, still on the ice, still on the ice from December till now.
Join us tomorrow when we speak to funeral directors and the police on the issue. Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.